Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started our work in workbook and done the first and the second exercise. Now today we are going to continue with that only. The exercise which we are going to start today is forming questions. That is on page number 28. As I have no space in my workbook, I am writing it in my notebook. You all have to write in book only. It is on page number 28. Exercises, put the words into correct order. These are some of the unarranged words. You have to arrange them and put them in correct order to form questions. Don't forget to add a question mark at the end. As usual, when we write a question, after that we put a question mark there. First one is, children did go the yesterday where. The answer for this is where did the children go yesterday? Put a question mark at the end. Now second one, old how younger is brother his. The question for this is, how old is his younger brother? Put a question mark at the end. Third one is, could did they say they when buildings start work then they the on. Did they say when? Did they say when could they start the work on the building? Put a question mark at the end. Now, let us move to the fourth one. For come has days, not wife, work 2, 3, he. Why has he? The answer for this is, why has he not come to work for 3 days? Put a question mark at the end. Now, fifth one is, on give what the birthday she child his present. Answer for this is, what present did she give what present did she give the child on his birthday? On his birthday. Put a question mark at the end. Now let us move to the last one. That owner tall building is who the of. The answer for this is, who is the owner of that tall building? Put a question mark at the end. Now, I hope all these questions are now clear to all of you. Now, let us move to the second exercise. This is on page number 29. Try to think of 5 countable and 5 uncountable nouns. Write them here. First of all, let me tell you what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are those that can be counted, that we can count. Uncountable are those that we cannot count, like rice, grains, We cannot count that. Countable means we can count the number of pens, we can count the number of pencils, we can count the number of beds. These are all countables. Now, first is, let us fill the countable ones. We can count the boys, girls, friends, dog, house. Uncountable, we cannot count rice, flour, wheat, mud and wind. We cannot count rice, flour, wheat, mud, wind. We cannot count all these. Now, let us turn the page and let me first of all explain you. This is the third exercise, which is on page number 30. Use so many or so much in the blanks below. The pictures clue will help you. These are some of the pictures which we have been given here. Okay. You have to use all these to fill all these sentences here. Now, in this one, use so many or so much in the blanks below. The pictures clue will help. First one is, Akbar has dash that he can buy what he likes. First picture what you all can see is the picture of money, and Akbar has, so let us fill, Akbar has so much money that he can buy all the things what he likes. Second one is, there are dash in the cupboard that it won't shut. There are, what are the thing in the cupboard? There are so many things. So let us write, there are so many things in the cupboard that it cannot shut. Third one is, there was dash in the teapot that we all had 2 cups. There was so much tea that we all had 2 cups of tea. Fourth one is, Prema read dash that her eye ached. Prema read, what are these? These are all story books. Prema read so many stories that her eye ached. Now let us move to the fifth one. There were dash in the sky that we could not see the sun. What are these? There are so many clouds in the sky that we could not see the sun. Let us move to the sixth one. The boys wasted dash that the teacher was cross. What is all this? You can see the picture of paint here. The boys wasted so much paints that the teacher was cross. Now I hope all these exercises are clear to all of you. You all have to write this in your workbook. Don't write in your notebook. Use pencils to write. Homework for you all is to learn the back exercises of course book that is of chapter 3, Anansi and 5. Thank you.